In this video, we're going to take a look at a product called Insta Jackpot. So let's get into it right after this. Hey, and welcome to my review playlist. I'm ronnierokksmith, and if you're into new marketing products and how to make money online and all of that cool stuff, remember to like, share, and subscribe so that you don't miss a thing. And be sure to stick around to the end of the video where I'm going to be revealing my awesome bonuses for this product offer. Okay, so here we are on the sales page. We're going to also go over the members area as well as the OTOs, some bonuses that are not mentioned on this sales page, as well as my bonuses at the end of this video, so stick around. So let's go over the sales page first here. It reads, discover 5 unique ways to make money with Instagram without followers. So that's pretty cool, right? Because everybody knows that it takes an audience and then you have to build a relationship with that audience to try and make money from them, right? But in this case, you don't need them. So it's pretty cool. So 5 methods going to show you what to do. All right, so this is Cynthia here. This is, she has actually promoted some of my past products, and I am happy to reciprocate for you, Cynthia, and congratulations on creating your first product. Way to go, and I hope it does really well for you. Okay, so we're gonna go over the whole sales page here because it's a really short one, all right? So it's 100% newbie friendly, and there is a 30-day money-back guarantee. Okay, so right here, she's basically saying that she's gonna show you how to make money on Instagram without any followers, and these methods produce one-time payments as well as even recurring payments, which is passive income. And who doesn't love passive income, right? So here's some earnings that she made using these methods. And these methods have nothing to do with Instagram growth, Instagram marketing, or hashtag research. And it's basically a 3-step process. So, right, you're going to choose a method, you're going to follow the step-by-step training, and you make money, right? Pretty simple. Okay, so why Instagram for making money online? Well, there's 1 billion people on Instagram, right? 63% of Instagram users log in at least once per day, and 95 million Instagram posts are added daily. Okay, so here's what you'll get. So a full members area with 10 over-the-shoulder videos that reveal the entire 5 methods step by step, and she starts at the beginning. So if you're a newbie, this is perfect for you. You're also gonna get a video about basic Instagram account. This should say setup. I guess you forgot the up here. But this is just in case you wanted to create your own Instagram account and start building an audience and all that good stuff. And then the 5 bonuses to further help you build your business online and make money, right? And I'm going to show you those towards the end of the video, as well as my custom bonuses I created for you guys. Okay, there's the guarantee, and that's pretty much the end. All right, so let's go ahead now and have a look at the members area. Here's all the videos right here, guys. Just click the little button, it'll drop out, and then you can watch the videos. So pretty cool, right? So you have a welcome video overview, account setup, profile setup, the helper, the flipper, the renter, the affiliate, the consultant, and a conclusion video, as well as the bonuses down here, the freebie page, build a list fast, how to make money in 2020, and how I make 2K selling traffic bonuses. Okay, so you got the product, and then a few days later, you might have said, hey man, I wish I would have got those OTOs. Well, they're right here for you in the members area. You can just click these buttons and get them at any time. And if you need support, you can get that here. All right, so that's pretty much the members area, guys. There's also a subscribe to her YouTube channel. So next, let's go over the OTOs and upsells and all that good stuff. So the launch is only 5 days, and at the time that I'm making this video here, this started on March 30th, and today's the 3rd already of April, so there's only 1 day left. Right now it's only $7.95 right on the front end, but just in case, I would try and get this as quick as you see this video, just so you can lock that price in, just in case she does decide to bring it up to $17. Most marketers put this at a launch price, which is what I do, and then I bring my prices up to $17, okay? So this is like an introductory. I don't know what she's gonna do. Everybody is different, but that's what I usually do. So just in case, you might wanna go ahead and pick this up now. Okay, so OTO 1 is Instagram growth strategies. This one's priced at $17, and she's gonna basically show you how to grow your Instagram account faster. and make your post go viral. Okay, so OTO number 2 is Insta Jackpot Rolodex. This one's priced at $37. Basically, she's gonna give you her premium resources and her contacts so you don't have to do all this research yourself, all right? Number 3 is Insta Jackpot Reseller Rights. So you can resell this product and keep 100% commissions of all the sales that you make for yourself, all right? And again, here's the bonuses that was not listed on the sales page that we went over in the members area. Bonus 1, the freebie page. Bonus 2, how to build a list fast. Bonus 3, how to make money in 2020. Bonus 4, how I make 2K selling traffic. All right, so we're on my bonus page here. As you can see, there's only 1 day left to the launch. And if you don't see this thing ticking up here, it may be still available. Just check it out, guys. If it is, it's going to be in the members area for Warrior Plus whenever you go there. I'll show you how to get to that in a moment. Go ahead and click any one of these buttons. You're going to be watching this video here. And if you're on YouTube watching the video, go ahead and look in the description. You'll see the link that goes to this bonus page. Just come on here, click any one of these orange buttons right here, and that'll take you to the sales page where you can check out, and that'll lock in my bonuses for you in the Warrior Plus purchase history page, okay? So let's take a look here, basically just mirroring the sales page, keeping everything congruent here. So bonus number 1, you're gonna get my secret hacks. Bonus number 2, my YouTube cash. Bonus number 3, how to make money with Wikipedia. Bonus number 4 is email tips. Bonus number 5, grow your business with funnels. Bonus number 6, rapid Instagram profits. Bonus number 7, Instagram monetization checklist. Bonus number 8, Instagram marketing secrets. So again, guys, go ahead and click any one of these buttons here. That'll take you to the sales page where you can check out. Okay, and here's how you find my bonuses once you do that. So go ahead and log into Warrior Plus, your account, and go ahead and click on the drop down right next to your little avatar icon up here. Click on the little drop down menu, choose purchase history. That's going to take you to all the purchases that you made. Find the product's name, which in this case will be Insta Jackpot. Then go ahead and click that link. It'll take you to the next page where you'll find the access your purchase button and the access your affiliate bonus blue button here, which this will lead you to my bonus downloads. Pretty simple and straightforward. I recommend this product because Instagram has a huge audience base, and if you do the techniques that she show you in here in this course in Insta Jackpot, you surely can make some money online, as well as some passive income as well. Okay, that's gonna wrap up this video on Insta Jackpot. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that it helps you make an educated decision on whether you think this is a good product and a good fit for your business. Thanks for your time and interest. I'm ronnierokksmith with USA Digi, and guys, happy marketing. Oh! All the blood is rushing to my head. Hurry up, click another video.